Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rehan and I study in the basic level at the Paragon Academy, Badin. So today my topic is about the literacy. So what is literacy and who is a literate person? The history gives us four definitions about the literate person. The very first one was that a person who can read and write is an educated person. The second one was a person who can read and write and can do simple mathematical calculation is an educated person. But the third one was that a person who can read, write and can do simple mathematical calculations and can operate computer. But the fourth one and the current one or the latest one was that the person who can read and write and can do simple mathematical calculations and can operate computers and make analysis and recommend others and give results is an educated person. So means when a patient goes to the doctor, so the doctor asks him that when you have fever, do you have fever, and do you have fever day by day or do you have fever continuously, and after when he answered, the doctor give him the disease medicine about the disease. So let's talk about the literacy rate of Pakistan. At the first number, we go for Kashmir. So Kashmir has the best literacy rate in the all over the Pakistan. But when we talk about our Sindh, so Sindh is in seventh position, which is not good. We need some inspiring teachers and the students who can understand them and not and understand them, and we need to develop our Sindh and we don't have that teachers that inspire the students and means we have to develop our country and we have to develop our Sindh, and and in the eighth position there is Fata, but Fata is the area where are the mountainous areas and the desert areas, so there are no facilities. But Sindh has also many facilities, but teachers and students can give attention and give their more inspiration and more interest to their studies. So we need to develop our Sindh, we need to develop our Pakistan. Thank you.